Hello everybody, welcome to Natural Cures and Home Remedies. In this video we will go over 10 natural remedies to increase serotonin and being happy as much as possible naturally and in the healthy way. Be sure to watch all the way till the end to learn all 10 ways promised. Please consider to subscribe our channel to be updated about all natural remedies. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter mainly present in the central nervous system and in the gastrointestinal tract. In the digestive system, serotonin regulates digestion, while at the level of the central nervous system, this neurotransmitter is essential for regulating mood, sleep, appetite, learning, and memory. At the level of the gastrointestinal system, serotonin is also responsible for the formation of bones. Serotonin is commonly known as good mood hormone. Good levels of serotonin in the blood are between 101 and 283 ng/milliliters. You can check them thanks to blood tests. Serotonin deficiency can cause depression, panic attacks, migraines, hypertension, and insomnia. How can we stimulate serotonin and increase its level in our body if they are too low? Remedy number 1. Tryptophan-rich foods. Our body produces serotonin from tryptophan, a substance that we can take through food. Among the foods of animal origin that contain tryptophan, we find eggs, milk and dairy products, meat and salmon. As for plant foods, tryptophan is present in dehydrated spirulina algae, soybeans, sesame and sunflower seeds, cocoa, dark chocolate, potatoes, bananas, rice, whole grains, green leafy vegetables, walnuts and almonds. Remedy number 2. Food rich in serotonin. Then there are some foods that represent real sources of serotonin. Among them, the most famous are cocoa and dark chocolate, but we must also remember walnuts, kiwis, pineapples, sour cherries, tomatoes, bananas, and plums. Number 3. Serotonin supplements. Are serotonin supplements safe? As with any type of drug or supplement, serotonin should always be taken under medical supervision. Better never to rely on do-it-yourself, since taking side effects of serotonin can be linked to some side effects that should not be underestimated, from excessive sleepiness to a real serotonin syndrome with anxiety, fever, and restlessness. Remedy number 4. Griffonia. Griffonia is a legume that is used at herbal level as completely natural aid to encourage the increase of serotonin levels. It is a real natural remedy against bad mood. Griffonia-based herbal preparations may also contain passion flower and lemon balm. Griffonia contains a specific substance, 5-hydroxytryptophan, a precursor of serotonin. Remedy number 5. Avoid caffeine. Caffeine is considered a real serotonin suppressant. The feeling of well-being that a cup of coffee is able to give would therefore only be temporary. If serotonin levels are low, it may be helpful to avoid drinking coffee and caffeinated energy drinks. Remedy number 6. Avoid simple carbohydrates. To simple carbohydrates such as white bread, white rice, desserts and industrial baked snacks, it is good to prefer complex carbohydrates, for example those foods composed of whole grains such as bread, pasta and brown rice. The intake of complex carbohydrates with a particular reference to whole grains would be able to increase serotonin levels. Remedy number 7. Omega-3. Omega-3, according to the hypothesis advanced by the scientific world, could affect the functionality of serotonin in the brain. In some people, Low serotonin levels may be accompanied by low omega-3 levels and their precursors. Among the sources of omega-3, we not only find fish but also nuts, flax seeds, and linseed oil. Remedy number 8. Sports. Regular physical activity and healthy sport always go hand in hand with good health. It must be performed without excessive efforts, so that it can give the body a real feeling of well-being. Our body will release serotonin and allow us to carry out our workouts in complete comfort. Remedy number 9. Long walks. Anyone who does not feel inclined to play sports must not give up physical activity. To feel better, just 30 minutes of walking a day, maybe outdoors in a park, is enough to increase the feeling of well-being and relaxation. Walking and exercise help to increase tryptophan and therefore serotonin levels. Remedy number 10. Yoga and meditation. Stress can affect serotonin levels. What are the best antidotes to stress? In addition to relaxing massages and long walks in the green, we find yoga and meditation very ancient practices that still ensure that you maintain a state of well-being for a long time. Science has also confirmed this. Yoga and meditation are really effective against anxiety, stress, and depression, and help us to find a good mood. Also, never underestimate the power of a hug or a simple smile. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video and remember to subscribe our channel.